Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to install Windows XP on Virtualbox 2023 edition. Since Virtualbox has updated, some things have changed. So in this video I will make a updated version. So let's get started. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this tutorial helped. Let's start. So the first thing you have to do, download Virtualbox. I have already downloaded Virtualbox, so I won't install it again. But the installation process is very easy. And another thing you have to install is the ISO file. You will find a website to download Windows XP. Click on ISO image. And wait for it to download. Once it's done, open Virtualbox and click on New. Then follow my steps. Once you're done with the settings, Virtualbox will immediately open. And now you have to wait for it to install. Once it's done, you can see that the screen isn't full, it's only a small cube. To fix this, go to Devices at the top left corner, and click Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Go to My Computer, and click this, and install it. This should take about 5 minutes. Once it's done, click on view, and then full screen mode. And you're done. You can enjoy Windows XP on Virtualbox. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you all in another video. Goodbye.